Hello bachcho, so let's read the question. The question says, these questions consist of two statements each, printed as statement 1 and statement 2. While answering these questions, you are required to choose any one of the following four responses. First statement is a single mutation cannot produce a new species. Second, mutations are inheritable. So first option there was statement 1 and 2 are correct. Second option there statement 1 and 2 are incorrect. Third option there statement 1 is correct, statement 2 is incorrect. And fourth option is statement 1 is incorrect, statement 2 is correct. So the key concept for this question is mutations. Mutations जो होते हैं, they are basically sudden and inheritable modification in an organism's traits. ये जो होता है, ये basically होता है due to the DNA sequence change This happens due to the change in the DNA sequence at a particular base pair. These are basically random and directionless. मतलब ये कोई भी specific direction में नहीं होता है कि species को एक ही direction में evolve करवाना है. So they are directionless. They can happen in any direction and they are also random. And they are not small like the natural selection. So the variation जो डार्विन ने दिया था, variation जो डार्विन ने दिया था, this was basically small inheritable changes. They were small. But जो mutations होते हैं, ये large होते हैं. म्यूटेशन जो होता है कैन बी ऑफ वेरियस टाइप्स. पॉइंट म्यूटेशंस होते हैं. देयर आर क्रोमोसोमल म्यूटेशंस एंड देयर आर कॉपी नंबर वेरिएशंस. सो पॉइंट म्यूटेशंस में आता है सब्स्टिट्यूशन, देयर इज इंसर्शन, देयर इज डिलीशन. क्रोमोसोमल म्यूटेशंस में आते हैं इन्वर्जन, डिलीशन, देयर इज डुप्लीकेशन एंड देयर इज ट्रांसलोकेशन. मोरओवर एक सिंगल म्यूटेशन जो होता है, even a single mutation, it can result in the formation of a new phenotype. It results in the formation of a new phenotype, a single mutation. These single mutations are very huge, and after this, after the formation of the new phenotype, जब ये reproduce करते हैं या generation करते हैं, this results in the formation of a new species, which is called speciation. New species का formation होता है. So coming back to the question. क्वेश्चन में पहला स्टेटमेंट दिया हुआ है, अ सिंगल म्यूटेशन कैन नॉट प्रोड्यूस अ न्यू स्पीशीज विच इज रॉन्ग. एक सिंगल म्यूटेशन इतना बड़ा होता है कि इट कैन प्रोड्यूस अ न्यू फिनोटाइप एज अ रिजल्ट ऑफ विच अ न्यू स्पीशीज. देन mutations are inheritable. This is absolutely right. Mutations are definitely inheritable. So statement 1 is incorrect and statement 2 is correct. So the final answer for this question is option D. Hope you understood well. Best of luck.